Ang executive privilege, sa pagkaalam ko, kasi kasama po ako doon, ako po nag-chair nung investigation sa ZTE nung na-discuss po itong mga issues na to, at na-bring up for the first time in, at least in a recent history, yung executive privilege. Ang purpose ng executive privilege, pareho din ng purpose nung privilege na binibigay, for example, sa journalist, that hindi nila kailangan sabihin kung sino ang kanilang source, or kaya mag-asawa, or yung doktor at pasyente, or abogado at saka kliyente. Ang purpose kasi nun, the client and the lawyer can freely discuss. Ganun din, ang doktor at saka pasyente can freely discuss kasi they will not be compelled to testify, no? Uh, against his client, against doctor. Pero lahat yan meron ding isa pong exception, no? For example, sa doctor, if iaminin sa kanya that a crime is about to happen sa United States, then they are required to say that. So